More athletes are seeking natural ways to enhance their performance. They're turning to proper nutrition, including vitamins. This is a shift towards a holistic approach to sports and wellness. Vitamins are essential nutrients. They play a crucial role in various bodily functions. For athletes, they are especially important. Vitamins help convert food into energy. This is vital for endurance and stamina. They also aid in muscle repair and recovery. Athletes put a lot of stress on their bodies, making this crucial. Vitamins also support a healthy immune system. This is important for athletes who push their limits. Intense training can make them more susceptible to illness. Vitamins are not a magic bullet. They work in synergy with other nutrients. A balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle are crucial for optimal performance. This essay will explore the importance of vitamins for athletes. It will delve into the benefits of specific vitamins and how to incorporate them into an athlete's diet. Vitamins are essential for turning food into energy. This process is crucial for athletes. They need a constant supply of energy. This is especially true during training and competition. Vitamins also play a vital role in muscle function. Muscle contractions rely on a complex interplay of nutrients. Vitamins are key players in this process. They ensure that muscles have the resources they need to perform at their best. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Vitamins help repair muscle tissue. They reduce inflammation caused by intense physical activity. This speeds up recovery time and allows athletes to train harder and more frequently. Vitamins are essential for athletes. This is because of their impact on energy production, muscle function, and recovery. Understanding the role of specific vitamins can help athletes optimize their diet and training regimen. Vitamin D is crucial for athletes. It helps the body absorb calcium. Calcium is vital for strong bones. This is especially important for athletes. They are at risk of stress fractures. Vitamin D also plays a role in muscle function. It supports muscle growth and repair. Vitamin C is another important vitamin for athletes. It is a powerful antioxidant. It protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are produced during exercise. Vitamin C also helps with collagen production. Collagen is important for healthy tendons and ligaments. B vitamins are essential for energy production. They help the body convert carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into usable energy. This is crucial for athletes. They need a constant supply of energy. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that protects cells from damage. It may also reduce muscle soreness after exercise. Athletes can get the vitamins they need from a healthy diet. This diet should include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. Each food group provides a unique combination of vitamins and minerals. These work together to support athletic performance. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are naturally low in calories and fat. This makes them an excellent choice for athletes watching their weight. Choose a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. Different colors indicate different nutrients. Whole grains are a good source of B vitamins. They also provide fiber, which is important for digestion. Choose whole grain bread, pasta, rice, and cereals. Lean protein sources such as chicken, fish, beans, and tofu are essential for muscle growth and repair. They also provide B vitamins and iron. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and seeds, provide energy and support hormone production. Section 5. Supplement savvy, choosing the right vitamins. While a healthy diet should be the primary source of vitamins, supplements can be beneficial for athletes. This is especially true for those who have dietary restrictions or increased nutrient needs. However, it's crucial to choose the right supplements and use them safely. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. They can assess your individual needs and recommend appropriate supplements. Look for high-quality supplements from reputable brands. Choose supplements that have been third-party tested for purity and potency. Follow the recommended dosage instructions. More is not always better. Some vitamins can be harmful in high doses. Be aware of potential interactions. Some supplements can interact with medications or other supplements. Section 6. Hydration and vitamins, a winning combination. Staying hydrated is crucial for athletes. Water is essential for regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, and removing waste products. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, muscle cramps, and decreased performance. Vitamins play a role in hydration. Electrolytes, such as sodium and potassium, are lost through sweat. These electrolytes are important for maintaining fluid balance. Some sports drinks contain electrolytes and vitamins to replenish those lost during exercise. Choose water as your primary source of hydration. Sports drinks can be beneficial for intense workouts lasting longer than an hour. These drinks can help replace electrolytes. Look for sports drinks that are low in sugar and calories. Section 7. Real athletes, real results, vitamin success stories. Many athletes have experienced the benefits of proper vitamin intake. These real-life examples highlight the positive impact of vitamins on athletic performance. Serena Williams. This tennis champion follows a strict vegan diet. She supplements with vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is not found in plant-based foods. It is essential for energy production and red blood cell formation. Tom Brady. This renowned NFL quarterback follows a holistic approach to health and wellness. He emphasizes a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods are packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants that support his longevity and performance. Michael Phelps. This Olympic swimmer consumed a diet high in calories. This diet also included a variety of nutrient-rich foods. This provided him with the vitamins and minerals he needed to fuel his intense training regimen. These examples demonstrate that vitamins are not just for elite athletes. They are essential for anyone looking to improve their health and performance. Section 8. Timing is key. When to take vitamins for optimal performance. The timing of vitamin intake can affect absorption and effectiveness. While a healthy diet throughout the day is crucial, there are optimal times to consume certain vitamins. Vitamin C. Take it with meals containing iron-rich foods. This enhances iron absorption. B vitamins. Take them in the morning or early afternoon. They provide energy and support metabolism. Vitamin D. Take it with a meal that contains fat. This improves absorption. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice on vitamin timing based on individual needs and training schedules. Section 9. Beyond vitamins, holistic health for athletes. While vitamins are crucial for athletic performance, they are most effective when combined with other aspects of a healthy lifestyle. Sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is when the body repairs and rebuilds muscle tissue. Stress management. Engage in stress-reducing activities. Chronic stress can deplete the body of essential nutrients. Hydration. Stay adequately hydrated throughout the day. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and impaired performance. By focusing on these areas, athletes can create a synergistic effect. This optimizes their overall health and athletic potential. Section 10. Listen to your body, recognizing vitamin deficiencies. Vitamin deficiencies can negatively impact athletic performance. It's crucial to recognize the signs and symptoms of deficiencies. Fatigue, feeling constantly tired, even after adequate rest. Muscle weakness. Experiencing decreased muscle strength and endurance. Slow recovery. Taking longer than usual to recover from workouts. Frequent illness. Getting sick more often than usual. If you experience these symptoms, consult with a healthcare professional. They can assess your vitamin levels and recommend appropriate interventions. Section 11. Vitamins. Your natural edge in sports. Vitamins are essential for athletes of all levels. They play a crucial role in energy production, muscle function, recovery, and overall health. By consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats, athletes can provide their bodies with the nutrients they need to perform at their best. Supplements can be beneficial for athletes with increased nutrient needs or dietary restrictions. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine the right supplements and dosage. Remember, vitamins are not a magic bullet. They work in synergy with other aspects of a healthy lifestyle. This includes adequate sleep, stress management, and hydration. Embrace the power of vitamins. Unlock your full athletic potential. Make them an integral part of your journey to success.